Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a common challenge for many Ubuntu users, getting those handy USB display adapters to work. Specifically, we're focusing on devices that use the Fresco Logic FL2000DX chipset, which are quite prevalent in many USB to HDMI, DVI, or VGA adapters. Often, you'll find these don't just plug and play on Linux, leaving you with a blank screen. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the proper installation process, ensuring your external USB display springs to life on your Ubuntu machine. We'll go step by step to install the necessary driver, so let's get started. First things first, you need to confirm your device uses the Fresco Logic FL2000DX chipset. Plug in your USB display adapter, then open a terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T, type lsusb, and hit enter. Look through the list for an entry that mentions Fresco Logic FL2000DX or has a vendor ID and product ID that corresponds to Fresco Logic, often 1D5C2000 or similar. This confirms you have the right adapter. Next, it's a good idea to ensure no conflicting or incomplete drivers are loaded. You can quickly check with commands like lsmod grep udl or lsmod grep display link, though for FL2000DX, we'll be installing a specific driver. Before we can compile and install our driver, we need some essential tools. In your terminal, run sudo apt update to refresh your package lists, then sudo apt install build essential dmesg. Build essential provides the necessary compilers, dmesg helps your driver persist across kernel updates, and git allows us to easily download the driver source code. Once those are installed, it's time to get the driver itself. Navigate to your home directory with cd, then clone the driver repository. A common community-maintained driver can be found on GitHub. You'll typically use git clone https://github.com/adnonhodzix/fl2000 Linux driver or a similar reputable source. After the cloning process is complete, change into the newly created directory by typing cd fl2000 Linux driver or whatever the directory is named. Now, we're ready to compile and install the driver. Inside the driver directory, simply type make and press enter. This command will compile the source code into a usable module. If make completes without errors, proceed to install it with sudo make install. After the installation, it's crucial to update your kernel module dependencies by running sudo depmod a and then load the newly installed module into your kernel using sudo modprobe FL2000. To ensure your driver remains installed and functional even after future kernel updates, we should configure dkms. This is a highly recommended step. First, copy the driver source to the dkms directory with sudo cpr /usr/src/fl2000-1.0. You might adjust 1.0 if the driver version is different. Then, add the driver to dkms with sudo dkms at fl2000/1.0, build it with sudo dkms build fl2000/1.0, and finally install it into the kernel's dkms tree using sudo dkms install fl2000/1.0. With all these steps completed, unplug your USB display adapter, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. Your external display should now be detected by Ubuntu. You might need to go into your system's settings under displays to arrange or enable it. In some cases, a full system reboot with sudo reboot might be necessary for all changes to take effect perfectly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your lsusb output, review terminal messages for errors during the make or install steps, and confirm all build tools are properly installed. That's it! Your Fresco Logic FL2000DX USB display adapter should now be fully functional on Ubuntu, extending your desktop space or mirroring your primary display. I truly hope this detailed guide was helpful in getting your setup just right. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, tips, and guides like this one. Your support helps us create more content for you.